Welcome to our exploration of the breathtaking wonders of the Maldives, a tropical paradise that captivates the hearts of travelers from around the globe. Nestled in the Indian Ocean, this stunning archipelago is renowned for its crystal-clear turquoise waters, powdery white sand beaches, and lush palm-fringed islands. The Maldives is not just a destination, it's an experience that promises to leave you in awe at every turn. In this video, we will take you on a journey through the unique beauty and diverse attractions that make the Maldives a must-visit location. From the moment you arrive, you'll be enchanted by the vibrant marine life that thrives in its coral reefs, offering some of the best snorkeling and diving experiences in the world. Imagine swimming alongside colorful fish, graceful manta rays, and even the majestic whale shark. But the allure of the Maldives extends beyond its underwater wonders. Picture yourself lounging on a secluded beach, sipping a refreshing coconut drink, or indulging in a luxurious spa treatment with the sound of gentle waves lapping at the shore. Each island offers its own charm, whether it's a romantic getaway, a family-friendly resort, or an adventure-filled escape. Join us as we delve deeper into the Maldives, uncovering hidden gems, local culture, and unforgettable experiences that await you in this idyllic destination. Get ready to be inspired and start dreaming of your next getaway to this enchanting paradise. The pristine beaches. The Maldives is home to some of the most breathtaking beaches in the world, where powdery white sand meets crystal-clear waters, creating a picture-perfect paradise. Among these stunning shores, Vacabee and Fuladu stand out for their unique features and captivating beauty. Vacabee, known for its vibrant atmosphere, offers a blend of relaxation and adventure. Here, you can bask in the sun on its soft sands, take a refreshing dip in the turquoise lagoon, or engage in thrilling water sports like jet skiing and parasailing. The beach is also lined with charming cafes and restaurants, where you can savor delicious local cuisine while enjoying the stunning ocean views. On the other hand, Fuladu is a hidden gem that promises tranquility and seclusion. This lesser-known island boasts pristine beaches that feel like your own private oasis. With fewer crowds, you can truly unwind and connect with nature. The soft whispers of the waves and the gentle rustle of palm trees create a serene atmosphere perfect for meditation or simply soaking in the sun. Activities abound on these idyllic beaches, from sunbathing and beach volleyball to romantic sunset picnics. Imagine spreading a blanket on the sand, enjoying a delightful meal as the sun dips below the horizon, painting the sky in hues of orange and pink. The tranquility and beauty of the Maldives beaches make them a must-visit for anyone seeking a slice of paradise. Whether you're looking for adventure or a peaceful retreat, these stunning shores offer an unforgettable experience that will linger in your memory long after you leave. Underwater wonders. Dive into the vibrant underwater world of the Maldives, where a kaleidoscope of marine life awaits beneath the surface. This tropical paradise is renowned for its exceptional snorkeling and diving spots, with Banana Reef and Manta Point standing out as two of the most popular destinations for underwater enthusiasts. Banana Reef, famous for its unique banana shape, offers an incredible diving experience with its stunning coral formations and diverse marine species. As you explore this underwater haven, you'll encounter colorful corals swaying gently with the currents, creating a mesmerizing backdrop for your adventure. Keep your eyes peeled for an array of fish, including clownfish, parrotfish, and even the elusive Napoleon wrasse. Just a short distance away, Manta Point is a must-visit for those hoping to swim alongside majestic manta rays. These gentle giants glide gracefully through the water, providing an unforgettable experience for snorkelers and divers alike. The rich biodiversity of this area also attracts a variety of other species, including turtles and vibrant reef fish, making every dive a new discovery. As you immerse yourself in this breathtaking underwater landscape, it's essential to appreciate the importance of marine conservation. The delicate ecosystems of the Maldives are under threat from climate change and human activity, making it crucial for visitors to practice responsible snorkeling and diving. By respecting the marine environment and supporting conservation efforts, we can help preserve these underwater wonders for future generations to enjoy. So grab your snorkel gear and prepare for an adventure that will leave you in awe of the Maldives' incredible marine life and the beauty of its underwater ecosystems. Luxury resorts. The Maldives is synonymous with luxury, and its world-renowned resorts define this tropical paradise as a premier travel destination. Among the standout properties, Saniva Fushi and the St. Regis Maldives offer unparalleled experiences that cater to the most discerning travelers. Saniva Fushi is a true embodiment of eco-luxury, nestled within a lush island setting. This resort features stunning overwater bungalows that provide direct access to the crystal-clear lagoon, allowing guests to immerse themselves in the beauty of the surrounding marine life. Each villa is designed with sustainability in mind, boasting private pools, spacious terraces, and breathtaking views of the ocean. The resort also offers unique experiences such as outdoor movie screenings and a dedicated observatory for stargazing, ensuring that every moment spent here is extraordinary. On the other hand, the St. Regis Maldives takes luxury to new heights with its opulent accommodations and exceptional service. Guests can indulge in lavish overwater villas, complete with private infinity pools and direct access to the vibrant coral reefs below. The resort's butler service is renowned for its attention to detail, ensuring that every need is met with grace and efficiency. Dining options are equally impressive, featuring gourmet cuisine crafted by world-class chefs, all set against the backdrop of stunning ocean views. Both resorts prioritize guest experience, offering a range of amenities such as rejuvenating spa treatments, personalized excursions, and fine dining options. With their commitment to excellence, Saniva Fushi and the St. Regis Maldives exemplify the luxurious allure of the Maldives, making it a dream destination for travelers seeking an unforgettable escape. Cultural experiences. Delve into the rich culture and traditions of the Maldivian people, where each island tells a unique story shaped by history, community, and vibrant customs. Local islands like Thulastu offer visitors a glimpse into the authentic Maldivian way of life, showcasing the cultural significance of these communities beyond the luxurious resorts. Thulastu, known for its thriving local surf scene, is also a hub of traditional Maldivian culture. Here, visitors can immerse themselves in the island's customs, from the warm hospitality of the locals to the colorful festivals that celebrate their heritage. Traditional music and dance play a vital role in Maldivian culture, with performances often featuring the energetic Bodu Beru, a drumming and dance tradition that brings the community together in celebration. Engaging with these performances allows visitors to appreciate the rhythm and spirit of the Maldivian people. Cuisine is another essential aspect of the cultural experience in the Maldives. Visitors can savor traditional dishes such as moss honey, a delightful mix of tuna, coconut, and onion, often enjoyed for breakfast. Dining at local eateries provides an opportunity to taste authentic flavors while supporting the community. As you explore the cultural landscape of the Maldives, it is crucial to approach these experiences with respect and openness. Engaging with local customs, participating in traditional activities, and learning about the islanders' way of life enrich your visit and foster meaningful connections. By embracing the culture of the Maldives, you not only enhance your travel experience but also contribute to the preservation of these cherished traditions for future generations. Adventure activities. The Maldives is not just a serene paradise, it's also a playground for adventure seekers looking to experience thrilling activities amidst stunning natural beauty. From surfing at renowned spots like Pasta Point to jet skiing across the tranquil lagoons, the Maldives offers a variety of exhilarating experiences that cater to all levels of adventure enthusiasts. Pasta Point, located on Thulastu Island, is famous for its consistent waves, making it a top destination for surfers from around the world. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a beginner eager to catch your first wave, the excitement of riding the swells in this picturesque setting is unmatched. The warm waters and breathtaking views create the perfect backdrop for an unforgettable surfing experience. For those seeking a different kind of thrill, jet skiing in the lagoons provides an adrenaline rush like no other. Feel the wind in your hair as you speed across the crystal-clear waters, exploring the stunning coastline and hidden coves. This activity allows you to take in the breathtaking scenery while enjoying the freedom of the open sea. Island hopping is another adventure that shouldn't be missed. With over 1,000 islands to explore, each with its own unique charm, you can discover hidden gems, pristine beaches, and vibrant local cultures. Whether you're snorkeling in secluded spots or enjoying a picnic on a deserted beach, island hopping offers endless opportunities for exploration. As you embark on these thrilling adventures, remember to take a moment to appreciate the natural beauty surrounding you. The Maldives is a place where adventure and tranquility coexist, inviting you to create unforgettable memories in this tropical paradise. As we wrap up our journey through the wonders of the Maldives, let's take a moment to summarize the key attractions that make this tropical paradise a must-visit destination. From the pristine beaches with their powdery white sands and crystal-clear waters to the vibrant underwater life teeming with colorful corals and majestic marine creatures, the Maldives offers an unparalleled experience for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. We explored the luxurious resorts that define the Maldives, such as Saniva Fushi and the St. Regis Maldives, where guests can indulge in opulent accommodations and exceptional service. These resorts provide the perfect setting for relaxation and rejuvenation, ensuring that every moment spent here is unforgettable. Additionally, we delved into the rich cultural experiences available on local islands like Thulastu, where visitors can engage with traditional music, dance, and cuisine, fostering a deeper connection with the Maldivian way of life. With so much to offer, the Maldives is an ideal choice for your next travel destination, whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or cultural immersion. If you enjoyed this exploration of the wonders of the Maldives, we invite you to subscribe to our channel for more captivating content. Don't forget to like and share this video with fellow travel enthusiasts who might be dreaming of their next getaway. Join us as we continue to uncover the beauty and diversity of destinations around the world. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you on our next adventure.